Good morning, students. We continue our seventh poem, Just Me. The fifth stanza. Then finally it hit me when I started to see that the face in the mirror looked exactly like me. I wasn't my teammates who were dropping the ball, and it wasn't my coach shooting bricks at the wall. So finally, when the poet used to sit in front of the mirror, that time he had talked, his conscience talked to him, and when his conscience talked to him, that time he realized that it was not the fault of his teammates, or it was not the fault of referee, or it was not the fault of coach that degraded his performance. So when he looked into the mirror, his conscience talked to him, and then he realized that it was not the fault of his teammates, it was not the fault of the coach, it was not the fault of the referee, but he realized his own mistake for his bad performance in the game. Sixth stanza. That face in the mirror that was always so great had some room for improvement instead of just hate. So I stopped blaming others and I started to grow. My play got much better and it started to show. The poet has said in this stanza that when his conscience, when he looked into the mirror and talked to his conscience had advised him not to blame others and to improve his own game, to improve his own performance. And as per according to the poet, the conscience, he was great. He was great. So his conscience advised him to improve his game, to improve his performance, to improve his skills and his game, and not to hate others. Other thing that conscience informed the poet that not to hate others. Instead of hating others, the poet has to improve his own game, his own performance. From that time, the poet stopped blaming others and started to grow. Started to grow, it means he started to work hard, he started to perform well, he started to improve his play, his game, his skill, and his game became much better. Finally, it resulted that the poet's play, the poet's game, it got much better and it started to show. His performance, his improvement was observed by the people, that there was improvement in the poet's performance. And the last stanza of the poem, and all of my teammates didn't seem quite so bad. I learned to depend on the good friends I had. Now I like myself better since I started to see that I was lousy being great, I am much better being me. In the last stanza, the poet has said that when he stopped blaming others, when he started improving himself and he stopped hating others, that time he realized that his teammates, his co-players, they seemed quite, they were good. They are not so bad, but they are good. Then the poet realized, then he stopped blaming others, when he started to improve himself, then he realized that his teammates, they are quite good people. Besides that, he also learned, the poet also learned to depend on his friends, not to play alone, but he would like to stay, he would like to depend on his friends. Other thing, now I like myself better since I started to see that I was lousy being great. The poet also realized that now he felt better, he feels better as he left his attitude of being great, of being best. So now the poet enjoys being himself only. Now the poet is not considering himself as the greatest or as the best. Now he decided to improve his game. He decided not to blame others. He decided not to hate others. So from this poem we have studied that whatever expertise we have, in whatever field we are, but we have to avoid pressure as well as we have to avoid egotism. In the beginning of the poem we have studied the theme excellence in life and not to possess ego because of it. So this poem tells us that we have to excel in our field without egotism. Thank you, students.